What you got there?
A lipstick.
What did I find you with?
Lip.
It's not lip. Is it chapstick for your lips? Why is it all over your chin then?
Over here.
It's not pretty. It's messy. Why did you do that?
Yeah.
Did you go in Mommy's purse? And did you get my chapstick? And now you're rubbing it all over me? Macy, give it to me.
A lip. A lip.
You have it all over your chin. Why is it all over your chin? Let me see. All over your chin. Why'd you do that? Can you say sorry? Okay, I'm sorry. Are you sure you're sorry? Can I have it now, please? Thank you. It doesn't go on your face. It goes on your lips. You said you were sorry, but you got to give it back now. Thank you.